This recipe is overnight oats. They're basically like a Bircher muesli with some grated carrot, apple, some Red Tractor farm assured natural yogurt, and Red Tractor assured milk as well. So it's very, very simple. Make it the night before you need it so your breakfast is ready for the next day. Rolled oats, and we're just going to grate the carrot straight in. So just grate your carrot straight into the oats. And maybe something different that you don't normally have for breakfast. Juicy red apple. Grate that straight in. So do all each side right down to the core. Try not to grate the core in. So this has obviously got moisture into it as well. So the juices from the apple and the carrot will go into the oats. Into that we're going to add some semi-skimmed milk. And then the low-fat natural yogurt goes in there. And you may think it's quite dry at the moment when you're mixing it in, but once you leave it overnight and the oats soak in with the juices of the apple and the carrot, mix in with the yogurt, it gets a little bit moister. And then finally we add some nice clear honey. Make sure everything's incorporated. We're just going to cling film this and leave it in the fridge overnight. And that's your overnight oats, ready for the morning. Done.